But can you guys imagine phoning a client and going, listen, I can't come in, I've got allergies.
I don't even know that they'll take you seriously. You know?
And it is actually a serious thing.
Yes.
But the rest of the world, especially if you don't suffer from it, you don't think it's a serious condition.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like us, right?
Yes. We don't know. We only know now
Yes.
because
Yes,
our daughters and obviously our husbands struggle with it.
Struggle, yeah.